Hi guys, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna learn how to draw Bubble Mom. I'm gonna start with the heart. The trick to draw a really good heart is to draw these top parts first and just imagine like they are half circles of the same size and they're not finished. So I'm gonna draw my half circle right here, and then I'm gonna draw my second half circle. And you want to try to make them the same. That's what's going to make your heart look really good. Once you have your half circles, this is your middle of your heart. You're going to go down and find where your bottom middle of your heart would be. And then connect it from your half circle and your other half circle to your bottom. And that's going to make your heart look really good, and it's going to make it look even because it is even. Once you have your heart, we're going to draw these little light speckles inside your heart. And one is like a tear almost, and the other one is a circle. And later you won't color it in, and then it looks like a light is reflecting of your heart. I'm going to draw my right M last, and I'm going to draw this M first. It's hiding a little bit here behind the heart, so I'll come up from the side of the heart and go to the left, and then go down, and then come up, and I'm gonna match the height here, and then it's gonna go down like a real M does. Now I want to pay attention to where this is because I want to be at the same level so it's even. You can draw a light line or just imagine it, and then curve, go back up, come down for the middle part of the M, curve down again, curve to the side, and come up and go behind the heart. And once you feel like it looks good, you can press a little harder and make it look a little darker. If you want to correct it, you can, then use an eraser, and you won't be able to tell that you had to do that. This M also has a little light speckle. It's right here behind the heart, so I'm going to draw it right now. And then I'm going to draw my other M. I'm going to try to match it as best as I can to this one. And this one is also hiding behind the heart. So I will go up here, and then start right here, and go down. And once again, I'm gonna draw a little light line here, so I know I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna try to kind of gauge to make it the same width, and go down and curve, and then go up, down for the middle part, up again, down for the other side of the M. And this one is hiding right here, and then it comes out here. And this M, just like the other M in the heart, has light speckles right here, and I'm gonna draw them now. One is like a tear and one is like a dot. Once I finish drawing my letters, I'm gonna color them. I'm gonna use markers because I love markers. You can use crayons, pencils, you can even paint. I'm gonna outline them first with a black, and then fill them in with pink and red, just like this one. Once you're done outlining and start coloring, make sure you do not color inside the light speckles. They're going to stay white. I'm actually going to use 2 different colors of pink and 2 different colors of red so that I can add some shade, but you can just do one. So like this pink M I did with the lighter pink, and now I'm going to use darker to do this line, and it's the dark part, the shade. I'm going to put some here and next to the heart, because the heart is covering it. And then I'm going to do my other M, and I can actually start with my shading so you can see. I'm going to put some here and here and here, and I'm going to fill it in with lighter pink. And once again, I'm going to speed through the coloring part. Okay, so there you have it. My bubble mum is done. I'll see you next time.